Squad. I am in my happy place right now. We're at Port Canaveral, which is pretty close to Orlando.
What's
See
back
behind
here?
me? Look back there. The Disney magic. The Disney magic. And then we have Carnival Cruise Line. And then we have, we're going to put it right here, Harmony of the Seas. Okay, who's gotten their stimulus check? The 1,200. Have you gotten your money yet?
Give me that money. I need that paper.
Have you gotten all that money flowing down? Well, you know what I'm going to do with the $1,200?
Go to Disney World!
Wait a minute, you don't get 12. We got 2,400 coming.
Oh, that's right. We got 2,400 because I'm married. So 1,200 for me and 1,200 for Lovey. Oh, yeah. Just like the ocean rocking right now. I'm such in my happy place right now, ETT Squad. But anyways, yeah, what are you guys gonna do with your money? Comment below. What cruise line are you gonna book? We're probably gonna book, it's either between Norwegian Cruise Line. You think Norwegian Cruise Line?
I don't know.
Maybe Carnival? Or probably the Disney ship. Because you know why I might be booking? You know why we might be booking the Disney? Because I think I'm going to double up my money on some of the stocks. If you invest in some of the stocks like CCL, Norwegian Cruise Line, Royal Caribbean, they're at the bottom, the very bottom. And you know what you can do with the 1,200, right? You could double it up. You could triple it up. Right now it's low. Everyone's talking about doom and gloom, but
It's opportunity.
I'm not a naysayer. I know this is going to come back. This is going to be all gone, ETT Squad. It's all going to be gone, and you guys are going to be on the ship. You're going to be flowing through Port Canaveral or Miami Port, right?
Wait a minute, what does Disney have on their cruise ships?
What do you mean, what do they have on the ships?
They have movie theaters.
Yeah, they have movie theaters. You can watch movies, whatever movie's out. Actually, maybe since they've been delaying Mulan, you'll be able to watch Mulan on the ship. That's exciting. Or maybe a Star Wars movie.
We must cure this sickness. Is that clear?
Right away, sir. Yes.
I'm so excited right now. I'm so happy, TT Squad. Yep. But we're gonna be making a lot of videos on cruises because I am. You call me the cruise queen, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Remember the last time we were out here?
When was the last time we were out here?
Cruise is going by.
Oh yeah. And they can cue some music right here. Doo-doo, doo-doo, doo. Leaving the port is one of my favorite things about taking a cruise. The fresh, salty air blowing in the wind, seeing the Coast Guard, the calm waters meeting the open ocean, watching the land disappear behind us. Look at that. Oh, the salter. Now, who doesn't want to go on a cruise? Come on. Cruise ships. These cruise ships are going to come back. They're going to come stronger.
That's what
Crew is going to be back on the ship. Everyone's going to be back on the ship, you know? Look at the Pelicans. The Pelicans are saying, well, what the heck is going on? We want to go on some cruises. Congress is supposed to pass more money for each person. What are they saying? $2,000 a month? Wow, so you could actually have more money to invest. You already have your $1,200 per person, and then you got your $2,000 extra a month. Can you just imagine if that actually does happen? That's
plus 500 per child, up to 3 children.
I'm going over the top right here. Right here, right now, because I know more than anybody.
That's incredible. I highly doubt it, but wouldn't that be so awesome?
It was left out of a recent bill, so.
Yeah, so that there's money to be spent on cruises. You can book so many. You can definitely book your cruise when all this is done and cruise ships come back.
And it's easy to qualify. If you're earning less than 260 grand, you'll get 4 grand a month.
So, yeah, so we got lots of money coming
Yeah.
our way. We're hoping.
Let's see
Oh,
what
yeah. Meet our child.
Child has arrived.
The child has arrived. What an appropriate place to open this package. Yeah, but this was one of these things that I bought with my stimulus check. $2,400 minus $25. I think we have enough money for a cruise ship. What do you think? Oh, the child. He's gonna be going on so many cruises. Oh yeah. Meet our child, ETT squad. We finally got the child through the mail. Boy, that took a long time. We didn't even know about the stimulus package. This was way before this whole pandemic. And we got her. Him. We got
It's
our
a him.
child. It's a him, right?
Yeah. He's 50 years old.
He's 50 years old and he's gonna go on a lot of cruises, especially Disney ships. Goofy's just gonna have to accept our child.
So you want to go on Carnival? Royal Caribbean?
Or a Disney cruise line.
Or Disney Cruise?
Comment below which ship do you think our child should go on, or do you think he should go on every ship, every cruise line around the world? What do you think?